Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to talk about how to make a user event script. Basically, these scripts run when you do stuff to records, like, create or edit them. Let's just jump into the main points. First thing, it runs on the server, not in your browser. Next, governance limit, 1,000 units. Oh, and you might be wondering, what's a governance unit? Well, that's a whole other story for another day. Anyway, there are 3 entry point functions. First, beforeLoad, which triggers before the record is loaded. Then, beforeSubmit, which is before it saves. And lastly, afterSubmit, which is, well, after it's saved. Okay, so let's get right into the script. Here's a super simple one that changes the memo field on an invoice to something specific. We're using the record module. It only uses the afterSubmit function. Basically, when it runs, it changes the memo field to updated from user event script. All right, let's get this thing into NetSuite now. First, we need to make the script record. You'll upload the script file, give it a name, then you'll put in a script ID and save it. Now for the deployment. Set the record type to Invoice. Set the status to Released. Give it to the administrator role. And give access to all roles and employees. All right, save it. Okay, time to see if it works. I'm opening an old invoice. And yeah, the memo field's empty. I'm just going to edit it and save it. And there it is. The memo field now says, updated from user event script. And that's it, it worked. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.